For phonics today, we are reviewing the sounds that we're working on this week and the sounds that we worked on last week. And then you are using what you know about the sounds to put the sounds together and sound out if you need to and read the blue words and then read the red sentence. The green words are like bonus words. If you want to be a superstar, you'll read those words. So, my turn, your turn with the sounds. Ah, ah, so the L is silent. F, the B is silent. Ah, the GH is silent. Ah, ng. So then when you get to the blue words, if let's say you don't know this word, you would start at the beginning and go t, ah, t, taught. The word is taught. When you're done with this slide, go to the next slide. The learning target is I can read AU words. Ah. So you're going to drag and drop the pictures to the correct word. So let's look at what these pictures are. My turn, your turn. Laundry, sauce, pause, auto, sausage, August, autumn, lunch. So once again, those are laundry, sauce, pause, auto, sausage, August, autumn, and lunch. So you're going to read the 8 words and then drag and drop the correct pictures to the words. When you are done, press the X and press the blue turn-in button.